Morning all students, this is Manish Kumar Gupta. Continue with the chapter number 6 integers exercise 6.1, coming to the question number 8. Now I am going to read question number 8. Draw a number line and answer the following. We have given few questions. Now read question number 1. Which number we will reach if we move 3 numbers to the right of -1? You can see this is a number line for example, so that we can understand the question properly. Again we are going to read the question. Which number we will reach if we move 3 steps? Remember, we have to move 3 steps to the right of -1. This is -1, this is -1, and we have to move 3 steps. How many steps? 3 steps. Which direction? Right side of -1. So 1, 2 and 3 step. After 3 step we have reached to number 2. Now moving to the question number 2. If we are at -5 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -9? Listen again. If we are at -5, we are here, okay, on the number line. In which direction we have to ask which direction we have to move to reach -9. If we have to find out -9, we have to move left, so our answer will be left. Now coming to the question number 3. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers or 4 steps to the left of -3? It is -3. First we will reach to -3. Suppose that we are here. Which number we will reach if we move 4 steps? 4 number means 4 steps to the left of. Left side is this side. For which number? -3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. On coming to 4 steps we have reached to the number 7. So our answer is -7. Here is no space, you can write the answer for here, okay. Now moving to the question number 4. If we are at -7, see the -7, this is -7 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? First of all you have to find out where is -1. So -1 is here, -1 is here. If we are at -7, this is our position on the number line. In which direction should we move to reach -1? If we have to go to -1, which direction? This is right hand side, so this is right, so answer is right side, okay. Again I will tell you. Question was given, we have to move 3 steps right of -1, right of -1. So first we reach to the -1, this is our position, and 3 steps. Remember 3 steps. Which direction? Right side. This is right side, so 1, 2, 3. After going 3 steps we have reached to the number 2. Now moving to the question number 2. If we are at -5 on the number line, this is our position. If we are at -5 on the number line, in which direction? It is asking us direction should we move to reach -1, sorry, -9. So this is -9. If we have to move this side, what is the direction? So this is, after this is called right, this is side left, so our answer is left. left direction we have to move. Now moving to the question number 3 again. Which number will we reach if we move 4 number or 4 steps to the left of -3? This is your position -3, and we have to move 4 steps, means we have to jump 4 steps. In which direction? Left direction. So left direction of -3 is this side. So 4 steps, 1 2 3 and 4. After coming to 4 steps, the answer is -7. I don't have space here, so I can write -7. This is your answer, remember. Okay, cut this. You have to write your answer below the number line. I don't have space, but remember, when you have to write in your fair copy, give a proper space. Okay. Now moving to the question number 4. If we are at -7, this is our position, -7 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? We have to move from this to -1. If we are moving this side, this is called right side direction. Okay, in the right direction we will move to reach -1. Student, these things don't write in your fair copy. This is only for the example. Again I am telling you, suppose that I do this. Okay, so don't do in your fair copy. It is only to make you understand. Thank you and have a nice day.